Hello, my name is Simran and welcome to my channel Learn with Simran. Today we are going to learn about different types of data we deal during data analysis or during data visualization or during the making of prediction model. So let's not delay it further and get the learning started. In data science, data is broadly categorized into two main types, quantitative and qualitative. These types of data help describe the properties or characteristics of the dataset, and understanding the distinction between them is important for effective analysis. Quantitative data consists of numerical values that can be measured, whereas qualitative data is descriptive and cannot be quantified. Let's talk about quantitative data first. Quantitative data represents numerical values that can be measured and quantified. It is typically expressed in numbers and allows for arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction or averaging. Quantitative data answers the question like how much or how many. There are different types of quantitative data which can be classified as discrete data or continuous data. Discrete data refers to countable values. It takes on distinct, separate values and there are no intermediate values between those points. Discrete data is usually represented by integers. For example, number of students in a class, let's say 25 students, or number of cars in a parking lot, let's say 12 cars, or number of items sold in a shopping mall, let's say 100 units. Now let's talk about continuous data. Continuous data represents measurable quantities that can take on an infinite number of values within a range. It often involves measurements and can take fractional or decimal values. For example, height of a person, which can be 170.5 centimeter or 167 centimeter. Weight of a package, which can be 55.2 kg or let's say an integer value 56. Or temperature, 36.6 degrees Celsius or 28 degrees Celsius. Few more examples of qualitative data include age of a person, annual income, distance traveled, time spent on a task, or more. Applications of quantitative data is pivotal in fields like scientific research, business analytics, and statistical analysis, enabling numerical comparisons and mathematical processing. Let's move on to qualitative data. Qualitative data represents descriptive information that cannot be measured in numbers. It is often referred to as categorical data and answers the question like what type or which category. It describes qualities, characteristics, or attributes of something. There are two main types of qualitative data, nominal and ordinal. Let's talk about nominal data first. Nominal data consists of categories that have no inherent order or ranking. It is used for labeling or naming items, but one category is not greater or less than another. For example, gender, male, female, hair color, black, blonde or brown, or different types of car available like SUV, sedan or a truck. Let's talk about ordinal data. Ordinal data also consists of categories. But unlike nominal data, the categories have a meaningful order or ranking. However, the differences between the ranks are not quantified. For example, education level, high school, bachelor's, master's or PhD then. Or customer satisfaction, poor, fair, good or excellent. Or ranking in a competition, first place, second or third place. Example of qualitative data can include marital status, single, married, divorced, types of cuisine, Italian, Chinese or Indian, or survey responses, agree, neutral or disagree, or different types of colors, red, green, blue are all examples of qualitative data type. Qualitative data is essential in market research, social science, and medical fields, helping to classify and understand qualitative distinctions in responses. Let's talk about some Example use case scenario. In a survey, participants are asked to report their age and the number of books they read in the past month. Here, age and the number of books, as we can see, are two different type of data we are talking about, where age is quantitative. Also, the number of books will be quantitative. But if we talk about which type of quantitative data, age is, then we can say it is continuous, as age can be, someone can be 24.1 months, 24 years and 1 month. Or the number of books. The number of books will always be discrete, as here we are talking about number of books they read in the past month, not the reading. So it is a discrete type of quantitative data type. Now let's talk about another example. The survey also asks participants about their favorite book genre and to rate their reading experience on a scale from 1 to 5. Here also we are talking about two different types of data. Favorite book genre, which will be qualitative, and book genre cannot be ranked, so it is a nominal type of qualitative data type. Now, the other example is the rate the reading experience. And the other data type here we are talking about is the reading experience which they should have to rate from 1 to 5. Here it is ordinal as they have to rank it. So here both the data types are example of qualitative. Using both quantitative and qualitative data provides a comprehensive analysis. The numerical information along with categorical preferences allows for a deeper insights into the survey results. So that's it for today's video. In this video, we have talked about quantitative and qualitative data type. In the next video, we will be talking about data types based on their formats and organization. In case if you need this file for your reference, you can follow me on LinkedIn as I will be posting it on my profile. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.